Hello everyone, welcome to another simple tutorial of OpenBox in OpenBox channel. So this tutorial is about how to keep on your laptop when you close the lid. So when the lid is closed, you want to turn on your PC and it's still going running. So if you're downloading something large file or you just want to keep your PC on when the lid is off, so I'm going to show you how to do that. So first you just have to go to the search bar here and search for control panel. So if you type control here, you can see there's control panel here. Now open the control panel app. After opening the control panel app, so if you have category view here, you just have to choose the large icons here and you have to find the power option. So you can see there's an option called power option here. Open the power option. After opening the power option, you can see there's an option called change when the computer sleeps. So you just have to change the settings here, click on it, and you have to set the computer on never option here. So I already have the settings here, never option, put the computer to sleep never. So you have to turn on your monitor for every time when you close your or close the lid of your PC or doing nothing. So you just have to turn on the monitor every time. So you just have to choose the never option here and click on save changes. So it will change nothing because I already have the never option here. So after doing the save changes, you can see there's an option called close, what closing the lid does. So this is the main thing here. You just have to click on it, and when I close the lid, you have to choose do nothing here. So when you close the lid, you can see there's an option called sleep. So in your case, you'll be able to, you can see there's an option called sleep here. So you just have to change into do nothing here. So both option here, you have to choose do nothing, and you just have to click on save changes again, and that's it. That's what you need to do. Just so these settings will turn on your PC still when you close the lid of your laptop. So that's it. Just to close out of it. And so this is a very easy and pretty simple tutorial for you guys. Hope you find this video helpful. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching.